What's going on? Madam here. A lot of people have been messaging me asking for an update on the Farmers World situation. And of course, I don't know any more than really the general public. I'm not in communication with the developers at all. All I can say is, boy, things are down. I know everything is down in the stock markets and crypto as a whole, with certain things going on globally that are affecting the markets or creating a little bit of worry with the markets. I think that's translating over to the game. I think that's part of the issue. I think the other part is that we are all waiting for some sort of communication or update from the developers. So I don't know if they don't have a marketing background, a marketing person. I also feel like the Discord as a whole has become a completely horribly negative space. So I have not been as active on the Discord channel because it's just a lot of name calling, rude behavior, just downright nasty stuff. So honestly, I can't really blame the developers and the supporters for not saying much if they don't have anything to say. So we should be coming up with a announcement, the monthly announcement, here shortly. So we will see what they have to say. But if their whole reasoning was because, the market's not right, the market's low, I doubt they're going to think it's a good time at this point to do anything. So, that's really the only update I have on Farmers World. Now, as far as my farm, I'm just staying the course. I know things are down, so I'm kind of just holding on to, the food I generate, the wood, the gold, all of that. I'm not really selling it on the market. I'm completely self-sustainable within my farm. I actually have a second farm that is just crops. So I'm just, collecting corns at that point. Eventually, I will try to craft some of the bigger tools. And I know a lot of people are doing that right now because everything is so low. So if you have money that you are trying to invest, when it's low, that's a good time to craft the tools. But, again, you have to make the decision based on, what you're willing to lose, because this is still a very high risk project. Crypto in general is very high risk. So, just make sure you are making the best decision for yourself. And as always, I am not giving financial advice. I'm simply telling you what I am choosing to do with my farm. So that choice is to stay the course and hope for the best, hope we get an update soon, and hope that things kind of line out on a global level with all of this stuff. So we shall see, but that is all I have for now. I'm actually traveling. I'm on a 8-week-long road trip, so I will check in when I can if I have something to say. Right now, like I said, there's not much going on, so I will pop in here and there, but I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you later. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and updates on my NFT journey.